YouTube is not recommending your videos. Do you know the reason why? It's because you are not uploading your videos in the right way. Some people are asking, I have many subscribers. I have about 1,000 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers. I have 3K subscribers, but YouTube is not recommending my videos. Anytime I upload my videos, no one watches it. So what am I going to do? They don't know how to do. The main reason is that you are not uploading your videos in the right way. When I started as a YouTuber, I was using the main YouTube app to upload my videos. I was using the YouTube app to upload my videos. But later on, I realized that I'm not doing it in the right way. I'm not using the right thing or the right software or app to upload my videos. So I find out that the reason why my videos was not going viral is that I'm not using the right thing. Before I show you, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. To make YouTube recommend your videos to others, you must use the YouTube Studio app. The YouTube Studio is the main thing that you must always use to upload your videos. When you are using mobile phone or desktop, when you go to your browser, you type in YouTube Studio. If it is mobile phone, type in YouTube Studio Desktop, YouTube Studio Desktop site or YouTube Studio, and click on it. It will log in automatically to your account. And use some certain features to upload your videos, because YouTube Studio have many features. It has many features that you can use over there, and YouTube will recommend your videos to people to watch. And one thing is that there are certain things as a new YouTuber you must turn it off. There are things that you must turn it off on YouTube Studio before YouTube can recommend your videos. Imagine you have about 1,000 subscribers and 2,000 subscribers, and anytime you upload your videos, no one watches it. YouTube will know that even your subscribers don't watch your video. So how can they recommend your videos to others for people to watch? Even people who have subscribed to your video, they are not watching it. So how can they recommend your videos to people to watch? So you must turn that thing off before you upload your videos anytime. I will show you the way we do it. I will show you the way how it works. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Now let's get started. Oh, okay. So right now, what we are going to do is that we will go to our browser and search for YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio desktop site. Sorry. Okay, right now, what we are going to do is that you go to our browser and search for YouTube Studio desktop site. YouTube Studio desktop site. Okay, then you hit on go or enter. Then let's click on login. Okay, whilst you are waiting, you need to make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video that I will be uploading. Okay, right now we are inside our YouTube Studio site. So anytime you want to upload your videos, you must click on create button here, then you upload it. If you want to go live, you click on go live, create a post. You can create a post with your pictures or any event that is coming off. Yeah, you need to use that one. I will click on where I just uploaded some of my videos and see. Right now this one I have scheduled it, so I will use this example to teach you how it works. I'll click on it and go to edit. So anytime you try to upload, you must make sure that you use YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is very simple and it contains many features for you to use. And as you can see, this is the title. You must make sure that you use a catchy title, a title that can attract viewers, or title that viewers always try to type on the search engine, so that yours can also pop up. This is a thumbnail part. Here is where you upload your thumbnail. As you can see here, this thumbnail is very nice. In my next video, I will show you how to create a new thumbnail for free. Then playlist. Here is the play. You must create a playlist of your video so that you can group your video, and this will be very less difficult for viewers to know the kind of video that they want to watch always. And here, no, it's not made for kids. Okay, so let's take note of something here. This is what I was showing you guys, that you must always turn off this. Turn off this. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, you must always turn off this as a new beginner. Publish the subscription feed and notify subscribers, because even though you have subscribers, alright, but anytime you upload your videos, no one watches it. So YouTube will know that even your subscribers are not watching your videos. So how are they going to publish your videos to target audience for them to watch? So as a new beginner, you must always turn off this. You must always turn off this, and you must use hashtags. And as you can see, tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in helping viewers find your videos, even though it plays a minimal role. But anytime viewers type in maybe how to get more views, since you have many tags, how to using how to get views, how to get YouTube views, your videos will also pop up on their feed. It's going to pop up on their feed. So always make sure that you use hashtags a lot. Always use hashtags. That's it. And this part, then go to the top. So in order, after doing all this, what you are going to do is to save it. You have to save it. This one I have edited it already, and I have scheduled it. That's why. So this part, it shows subtitles and end screen. End screens are anytime you publish your video or anytime people are watching your videos. When your video is about to end, that's where it shows some of your videos. It will show some of your videos for you. As you can see, this one, end screens, video best for viewers. So the end screens, it will show some of your videos when your video is about to end. To show some of your videos when your video is about to end or subscribes, to be part of it. So always try to use end screens. Always try to use end screens. Okay. Always try to use end screens. It's very good. It's very good. And this can help you to promote your YouTube channel. When you click on element, you can see video playlist. So you can add any end screens, either video or anything else to it. So it's very helpful. It's very helpful. Always try to use it. Let me click on this card. And the cars too. It displays a letter title. You see how to get 100 subscribers. A video title or anything. You can type a message there for it to be there. So anytime they click on it, it will take them to that video that they want to watch. So always use video cars. This will also help you to promote your videos and get more views. Okay, and I know this one is very simple. Always try to use YouTube Studio to upload your videos. And as I said, always turn off this publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers as a new YouTuber. If you grow, you can turn it on when you try to upload. If you grow your channel, you can turn it on when you, even though it is automatically on. So anytime you are trying to upload, you must turn it off before you upload it. Let me save it. So this is how it works. It's very simple. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel.